Last week, we visited the world's largest flat-top mountain, the Grand Mesa. We explored many of the area's trails and fished a few of the 300 lakes in the area. Although we had planned to switch gears in a few years when we reached retirement, that decision was pushed up when health issues forced me to quit my job. With lingering health problems, my doctor advised me to stay out of the higher altitudes for now, except for driving over a pass. So again, we switched gears and did some unconventional camping. Just driving Colorado is a pleasure. And since things have slowed down, I look at things differently and appreciate where we live all the more. The first spot that we stopped at was a harvest host. We were the only ones there and was met with an exceptional sunset. What a peaceful night in the middle of a city. We opted not to attend church at this harvest host so we could make it through Denver when the traffic was light. Someone had once told us that he would rather suck sewer through a straw than deal with Denver traffic. Living in a small town, I totally understand this. The goal for this trip was to spend time with family. We had planned on taking my mom to the Denver Botanical Gardens, but she decided to catch a fall with her face. The tickets were already bought, so we went. I love botanical gardens. The constantly changing display is truly a delight. These gardens feature North America's largest collection of plants from cold temperate climates around the world. Bringing our grandson added another element to this experience. He's currently into birds and water, so he loved it. We had planned on mooch docking at our daughter's house, but the lack of room and questions on whether it would be acceptable in this neighborhood made us change our mind after a few days. So comes the next unconventional camping spot, an RV park. Wait, you may be saying this isn't unconventional, but for us it is. There was some grumbling from the hubs on how close everybody was and what we had to pay, but really it was fine, just not our usual. My biggest complaint was that the paperwork was extensive and the list of rules was over the top. But we soon realized that this park was catering to long-term residents, and being a new park, we figured they were still learning. One of the nicest things about this park was its proximity to the river and a bike trail.
Dazzling like with diamonds in the light, glowing in the night like fireflies, blushing like the sunset in your eyes. I got you. We could burn it down, 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 down. We could burn it down, 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 down. Look at what we found, 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 found. For you I'm always down, 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 down. We could burn it down, 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 down. We could burn it down, 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 down. Look at what we found, 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 found. For you I'm always down, 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 down.
Well, memories were made, and it was time to pack up and leave. We decided to drive on a road we had never traveled before. It may take a little longer, but the drive is part of the experience. When most people think of Colorado, they think mountains, but Colorado is diverse in its terrain. Landscapes range from flat grass-covered eastern plains to plateaus to numerous mountain ranges. Our destination was the Hubbs Brothers' house. We again mooch-docked for a night and then planned to caravan to Albuquerque to meet up with more family. Join us next time as our plans change once again as we get stranded.
Want to hear a joke about paper? Never mind, it's terrible.